again with another beautiful Marlborough Sounds property. Are you looking to move permanently to the Sounds? Somewhere with a flat site, a fantastic neighbourhood and good drive-on access? Or are you looking for a holiday home that can house all of your family and friends and store the boat on site all year round? Well, this property here at 1 Okiwa Place in Anakiwa in the beautiful Queen Charlotte Sound has all of that and more. Come on, let's go check it all out. The home is split over 2 levels, with up here enjoying the amazing water views is the open plan living and kitchen area, the master bedroom and ensuite, and downstairs there is 3 bedrooms, the second bathroom, the garaging, and an extra storage room that has been previously utilised as a bunk room, for those extra kids to come and stay. The house is complete with great storage throughout, with all 3 bedrooms down here with wardrobes, the internal access to the garage there, and this bedroom here with its own doors to the outside. The garden and grounds are well established and have been designed to be very low maintenance, with, as you can see, fantastic off-street parking. And just down the road here is where you can launch your boats straight off the beach in the bay. With a wraparound deck, there are multiple areas for you to enjoy the sun and entertain guests all year round whilst enjoying the water views. With this property being sold fully furnished and just under 30 minutes drive from Picton or even shorter from Havelock, all you need to do is pack your bags, grab your toothbrush, get some groceries and rock up here and relax. If this property looks like you and you'd like to organise a viewing, give me a call today and we'll make it happen.